Hey my Lankins, welcome back to my channel. It feels so special seeing my Heat Lankins after so long. It's been 4-5 months. I really hope that you haven't forgotten me. Today I'm going to show you this winter makeup look or tutorial, whatever you like to say it to you guys. And all the products that I'll be sharing will be mentioned in the description box. So please check the description box if in case I forget to mention the shades or something. If you would like to know that how I've created this glowy winter makeup look, then guys please continue watching. Okay, so I have used Laneige Water Bank Hydro Essence. This is something I have been using for past 6-7 months and I swear by this. I have got it in smaller size, 30 ml, 70 ml, and ever since I have started using this, you guys, my face is like, there is pigmentation. It's not going to take away your pigmentation any concern, but it will definitely give you lots and lots of hydration. I've already used this, but let's just use a little bit more. I'm running out of the bigger bottle. The next step that I like to do is taking vitamin C serum during the day, and during the night I use hyaluronic acid. This is a professional one. I have got it from my husband's friend. You won't get this just like in stores or anywhere. Let me know in my DMs on Instagram or in the comment section. I will definitely help you out with this. I take about almost 1.5 squirts. I will apply it around my ears and neck. You see how red my face got. Then after this, I use my moisturizer. One I'm using is Emollient. You get this in pharmacy. I don't know if all the people can use this, but I was suggested by one of the girls in the store itself. Ever since I've used this, I have stuck to this. Even my husband used this a lot. It's very watery. All the products that I'm showing are very hydrating, because winter is all about hydration, right? We don't want any dry patches on our face. So for my sunscreen, I have been loving 2 products actually. I will show you both because both are my other favorite. One is Super Goop Glow Stick. You don't get this in India, but you can definitely get them from Instaseller. It comes in the stick form. The second one, which I have been loving, which you definitely get it in India, it's from Laneige Watery Sun Cream, and it has got SPF 50+, PA++. Let me show you this one, because this one you don't get it easily. It will give you white cast in the beginning, but it will fade away in a minute. Don't get scared looking at all this purple and all. It will all go away. Don't forget your ears, your neck. The lip balm, I have been using 2-3 lip balms. I have got 3 in my hands, so I'll show you that. This one I like to use it in the night. It's from Too Faced. It's their Hangover Axe Pillow Lip Balm. It's got that tingling sensation. I also love this one, Nikake Lip Oil. This is in the variant Fruit Punch. And this is my ride or die. I cannot do without this. Kevin has ruined 2 bottles of this lip balm. Package fell from my hand and he took away, and he had actually licked the tub, which is very bad, I know, but he did it by accident. Yeah, I have to be very careful around him. So usually I don't use foundations unless and until if there is something like Diwali or some occasion. If I'm going somewhere, then only I use foundation. But if I am wearing a foundation, then I will be using this one. This is my recent purchase and I have been loving this. NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. I've got it in the shade Syracuse. If I'm not using foundation, then I'll be using just this Too Faced concealer, which I think everybody knows. If you are OG follower of mine, swear by this concealer. I cannot do without this. I've got 3 right now. So this is the foundation. It doesn't match under my eyes and around my mouth because I've got pigmentation, and otherwise it's a perfect match for my skin tone. So I usually go for Syracuse. I've got their 2-3 foundations from NARS, and all of them are in Syracuse only. Just covering the half side of my face so you can get a better idea. And I've just taken out 1.5 pump, and you can see half of my face is covered. It might look a little bit lighter to you because of the pigmentation, but otherwise it's a perfect match, you guys. By the way, this beauty blender, I've just cracked open it today. It's from Blue Heaven. It's just for 150 or 125 rupees, you guys. You see how glowy this foundation looks. Although it's soft matte, but it does look a little bit glowy because of all the base skincare that we have used. Before I put like concealer and all, I like to fill in my eyebrows, and guys, I've got nothing new for my eyebrows. I'm still using my OG. I've been using this for about 4 or 5 years. ABH Brow Duo, the shade Ebony. Fill my eyebrows, I'll do that and I'll get back. I'm done filling in my eyebrows and I'll set them in place. I always like to set my eyebrows in place. ABH Clear Brow Gel. If not this, then Benefits Clear Brow Gel only, but I don't know what is it called. Also guys, this product I have been using it from 2 years. It will last you for a longer time. If you use it on everyday basis, then I don't know, because you don't need a lot. For my concealer, I have been loving 2 concealers if I'm using a foundation. But if I'm not using a foundation, then my Ride or Die Too Faced. But if I am using a foundation and I want a lighter concealer to like lift my face and all, I use L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I don't love it as much as I love my Tarte Shape Tape, but I still prefer to use it if I'm going out somewhere for 3-4 hours, because this one lasts for freaking 12-16 hours. This does smudge a little bit. I use the shade 317 Almond. I like to take it on my eyelids as well. If you don't like it, don't do it. Now I'm gonna set this concealer in place, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Use the shade 25 Medium, and if I'm not using this, then I'll be using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. So I'm taking a damn beauty blender and I'm gonna press this under my eyes. All these years, I never had fine lines under my eyes, but now I have few, which obviously I don't like it. Eyeshadow palette of my choice is Urban Decay's Naked Basics palette for my day-to-day basis, and I also love Tartelette in Bloom with the colors. Very much useful for your day-to-day basis. I'm gonna take Smarty Pants, use it on my crease. I like to drag it a little bit like this so that it makes your eyes look bigger. I have got hooded eyes. It helps in making my eyes look a little bit bigger and lifted. I would stop if I'm going out for a day, but if I'm going out for a night, then I take another fluffy brush, slightly bigger than the previous one, and I take the shade Jet Setter and I use this on top of the previous shade. In the night guys, I won't use this shade in the day. Take it on my lid. What do you say? Like a soft smoky eyes. It's nothing too much. I've been using this Vega eyelash curler. I love this. I have only 2 mascaras, which again I don't know if they are still selling this mascara. Maybelline's, what's it called? Falsies Push-Up Drama, and the second one is Temptation. I don't know if these are still available. So the one that you still get, and I've really got it very new, it's Essence Lash Princess Mascara. So this is how the wand is. With the mascara, without the mascara. It's really nice mascara. It doesn't volumize it, it definitely lifts up, which I like. I went with 2 coats and this is how it looks. It's very much princessy like as if I've got a lash lift or something. So once we are done with the kajal, I'm going to use Jet Setter again with a small pencil brush. I'm going to take that under my lower lash line. Use Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Another one is Benefits Hoola. No one can beat that bronzer. So these 2 are my favorite bronzers. Sometimes I also like to use cream contour, like when I'm doing full shebang. Toffee shade from the Too Faced or L'Oreal concealer in a darker shade. I like to first press it where I want to shape it. Now you see this side and this side. So it is definitely going to lift this part up. I'm going to take it here and just rub my brush over there and on my forehead. This side looks much better than this side, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side now. Slightly slanted like this, and then going to contour my nose. Take my beauty blender and just do this so that it just melts into the skin. Just herbs, lip and cheek tints. So these 2 are my favorite. They have very kindly sent it to me to review it to you guys. But it's been like what, 6 months I have been using this continuously. The shade 07. It might look very dark here, but you don't need a lot and it blends very easily. I usually dip my brush sometimes or my beauty blender and apply it. The next shade, which is 05 Soft Nude, is very much everyday use. Actually, you can use both the shades for everyday. I'm gonna use new product because I have been using this so much. Currently using an expensive one, this Rare Beauty blush. I use the shade Joy. Don't need a lot, so you just need 1, 2. That is it. I think I applied a lot. Oh yes. Yeah. All good. Now for my highlighter, I love Becca Champagne Pop. If I'm not using that, then I'm using this Fenty bronzer. This is in the shade Mean Money Hustler Baby. I use this one. Do you see what I mean? I'm gonna spray my face. If I'm going out, then I don't use Urban Decay's All Nighter because it just makes my face very tight, and I want that for long lasting makeup. But if I'm going out just casually, then I use my Smashbox Primer Water. Now coming on to my lips. So either I will be using Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is in the shade Fenty Glow, and if I'm not using this one, then I will be using Lip Injection by Too Faced. It's in the shade Wanna Play. Today I think we're gonna use a lipstick. It's winter season, and for winters I like to go a little bit bold with my lips. My favorite has to be either I use Suck It, which I have been using for years and years, and you have seen it a lot, but I also love this shade a lot. This is Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Made Easy. Should I put this on today as well? Yeah. I will be putting up my favorite lipstick video on my Instagram reels, so check out for it with this makeup on itself. So this is what the shade looks Made Easy on me. Apply a little bit of gloss on top of this. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I should use Fenty Glow on top of this lipstick. This is with the gloss, very retro. I'm gonna go make my hair and get back. Just a minute. This is how my makeup looks, very fresh, glowy, and this is what I usually do. And I keep on changing my makeup tricks along with time, how my skin is reacting, how my skin is feeling, and what the atmosphere is around. I really hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial and come back with a makeup tutorial because I miss doing makeup, you guys. I've purchased so much of new makeup and I couldn't come down here to share it with you. This foundation and everything was something new and I have been using it. I wanted to share it with you. Stay tuned. There is a good, exciting, surprising video coming up very soon on my channel, and I am sure that you'll love it. And guys, I've been very honest, all the products that I have mentioned, I love them, and I'm actually wearing them outside. I don't want to just take out any random makeup and show it to you because it doesn't make sense. If I'm not using it, I'm not featuring it. Ever since we moved into this house, things are like a roller coaster. There's something new happening every month. It's been really exciting and fun so far. I will be very much happy and pleased to share it with you very soon, so stay tuned for that. Please do not forget to like this video if you appreciate my effort, and so much love to all the people who are still subscribed and supporting me. Means a lot in the world. I love you so much. Keep me in your thoughts. I will be keeping you in my good thoughts. I'll be seeing you very soon, you guys, and let's end this year with so much goodness and positivity because I'm very happy and full for this year, and pass all the love and light and happiness what I have been got in this year to you guys as well. Lots of love, and I'll see you very soon, you guys. Bye.